no energy to do anything.
I mean, honestly, same.
I haven't even started the vlog.
You haven't started vlogging?
Barely. I mean, I like showed myself like in the morning, but that's it. This is my first time talking. Hi guys. Hello everyone. I just hopped in the car. I threw my hair up, pretending I got ready today. I didn't. It's a secret. I'm going to get coffee because I'm just dragging. This has been a weird day. It's already 2:40. I had so many things I was supposed to do today and the day's just like gotten away from me, so. Also, my mom's calling. Hello. Hi, good, how are you? Can I do a cold brew? Thank you so much. Okay guys, just got a coffee, thank God. Blue bottle, saving my life. I always get the dogs something for Christmas and I haven't gotten them anything this year. So there's this cute little dog store. I think it's called Maxwell Dog Store. I'm going to go check out and maybe get a few things. The boys at my parents' house and our girls. Very excited. You can have me. You can let me out. You can take me. You can take me. You can take me. Thank you so much. Happy Christmas. Have a good day. Okay guys, got the dog gifts. This always happens, inevitably. Right before Christmas, I remember a bunch of people and a bunch of random things that I need to go get. So today's kind of like an errand day, which is a bummer because I thought I was done. I think I'm going to run into Urban really quick, and then I also have to go to Vaughn's. So wish me luck. Perfect. Thank you. Hello guys, it's a little bit later. I completely forgot that I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a face update. I shared a little bit of my Botox experience with you guys a couple of vlogs ago. If you haven't seen it, just go to a couple vlogs before this. It was Saturday, so whatever, 18? Vlogmas day 18? Fact check me later. I shared a little bit of my Botox journey with you guys and had you guys actually watch one of my appointments, which was fun. This is my face a couple days later. As you can see, there's no bruising, there's no crazy swelling. My face doesn't look like plastic. The only thing that really gives it away are these red dots. There's, I think, 3 of them right here underneath this eye. And those are just spots where the needle went in. That'll go away in a couple more days. But yeah, absolutely no swelling. Like I said, filler just automatically kind of lifts. So you won't see any like circle under here, which is so nice. And I absolutely love it. This one still shows a little bit, but I was told that that's just kind of how this eye is. And I honestly don't mind that much. But the Botox takes a few days to kind of set in. So this is Monday. I got it Saturday. It's been a full like 48 hours. I can still move my eyebrows, I can still squint. I can't squint as intensely as I used to. I can still show facial expressions, it's not plastic, and yeah. So yeah, I feel like my face is kind of like back to normal. Not like it was that different before, but oh, this is even better lighting. So yeah, there's a nice little update for you guys that I promised you guys I would do. I'm not wearing any makeup, so you can fully see everything. Very happy with this update. I had a realization that I haven't gotten my eyebrows done at all this year. Like at all. I never got them done that often. To be honest, I don't have that much of a brow, but I do have a lot of like peach fuzz that makes it a little less distinct, I think. So I completely forgot that I actually ordered a waxing kit at the top of December and I haven't used it yet. It's been under my desk this entire time. So I think I'm gonna whip it out and maybe have Alisha try to wax my brows. I don't know that I would trust myself necessarily. We've both gotten our brows done plenty of times, so I feel like if I were to trust anyone, I would trust her. I'm gonna set it up though.
I'm going to be using a tea tree based one as I feel it's a bit more gentle on the skin.
Yours tea tree based?
Tweezers, and when doing an eyebrow wax, have your strips ready.
Oh my gosh.
Is this so satisfying?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure you trust me?
Yeah, I think we're good. I think all you have to do.
But like right before Christmas, right before your birthday?
We're just doing like the outline of it, not like.
Ash, I'm just saying. I feel pretty confident.
I feel pretty confident in you
I feel
too.
pretty confident.
I started second guessing for a second, but it's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun.
Wait, can you put that hair up? No distractions whatsoever. Oh yes.
Business.
Damn, all it takes is one wrong little. What if like an earthquake happened while I was doing this and then I ripped off half your eyebrow? Move all and any hair that can get caught, put behind your ear.
And then we're just going to kind of just go like up here.
Take off all that makeup you put on. Okay, I need to do a patch test right on your wrist. Make sure you're not allergic.
It's a great angle.
Figure out if it's too hot or not.
It looks hot. No, it feels fine.
Okay. You gotta rip that off.
Maybe blow on it slightly and just make sure. No, not me.
No, it's not too hot. That was the #1 negative review of this wax, was that it a little stringy. Are you ready?
Oh, that wasn't bad.
Oh, we got some hair.
Did you get any?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I have a lot of like peach
You have a lot
fuzz.
of white hair.
Like, I have a lot of like baby blonde hairs everywhere. I
No,
can't believe I
Ro.
haven't gotten my brows done in a year.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
A big one. We should also get tweezers and I can clean up like. Are you ready?
Peach fuzz?
Just fuzz.
Can go maybe under my brow.
Close.
Don't get too close.
Is that too much on your lid?
Probably, but like if there's hair there, it's fine.
Doesn't hurt? Damn, I'm good.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's pretty easy.
It looks fine.
To be honest. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, that one hurt more. Whoa, look at all those hairs.
Oh my, do you see them? I see some hair follicles up in that shit.
Wow, I see it. I
see it?
Yeah. That's a lot.
Damn.
She's having way too much fun
I'm
now.
loving this. Okay, and then I'll do under here after. This one should hurt a little too.
I feel like you want it to hurt.
I do, because that means I did a good, I like got what needed to happen.
That one hurt more. Look at all the hairs.
Yeah, do you see that?
That's a lot of hairs. All the real estheticians are like, ugh.
Yeah, don't open your eyes so your eyelashes don't get in it, Ash. I definitely need tweezers because I missed a little guy right there. Ooh, ready?
Ooh.
Look it! I'm that type of person who loves like Dr. Pimple Popper. Amateur move, amateur move.
We're having a whole party over here.
Still stringing from there.
I feel it on my face.
Hold on, I got it.
Wow, look at you. I feel like that looks
Mine needs-
great. Going in with the legs now. This is gonna hurt. She's in it to win it.
I'm like about to wax all of my legs right now. I'm like, it can't be worse than your vagina. Ooh!
That's gonna hurt.
3, 2, 1. Oh, not that bad. Wow. Don't look.
Alicia, have you ever gotten your legs waxed?
I've never gotten my legs waxed.
I've never gotten my legs waxed either.
1, 2, 3. It's not as bad as you think. Oh, I got some ingrowns. Oh.
I'm dead. This technique.
Ooh, that's hot. Thanks for getting this, Ash. Wow, this is game changing.
Can I do this one?
Yeah.
You ready?
You have to count down.
Sure?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Ew! Let's sell that and make some money. Wait, can we do a bigger one? What is this vlog? Ooh, yeah. Ooh, something about warm wax just feels like
good. 3, 2, 1.
Woo! That one like kind of like, but it wasn't bad. I'm gonna die if we have like a crazy allergic reaction to this. My whole leg's just red.
Well, here's my face after. Slightly red, but that's just normal for me. I get pink after everything I do. That was fun. I feel like it's gonna make a big difference when I actually do my brows now. Because before they were so fuzzy. Now they won't be.